Structural analysis and design of an auditorium. Using extended 3D analysis of building system. Ashwini Mareena SAM1, Devika JS2, Panchami PS3, Muhammad Salih N4, Rajeev Kumar P5 1, 23,44 year B.Tech students, 5 Professor Department of Civil Engineering Musaliyar College of Engineering and Technology, Panchami, Kerala. Abstract. This technical paper highlights the project work pertaining to the structural analysis and design of a multipurpose auditorium using a computer software, extended 3D analysis of building system, abbreviated as ETABSÂ registered trademark. Shape of the auditorium was linear, rectangular. This includes planning, analysis of loads and designing of structural elements based on different loading conditions. Planning of acoustic and vision point of view were taken from National Building Code, and the limit state method of collapse using respective IS codes. AutoCAD registered trademark was used for drawing plan, elevation, and section of auditorium. Design and analysis were done manually and the results were verified using ETABSÂ registered trademark. For completeness, a cost estimation was also performed. Such a work would enable the economic design of an auditorium. Keywords: structural analysis, design, ETABSÂ registered trademark, AutoCAD registered trademark, auditorium, cost estimation. Introduction. An auditorium is a multipurpose facility where a room built to enable an audience to hear and watch performances. For movie theaters, the number of auditoria, or auditoriums, is expressed as the number of screens. Auditoria can be found in entertainment venues, community halls, and theaters, and may be used for rehearsal, presentation, performing arts productions, or as a learning space. Seating arrangements in an auditorium seating layout, or assembly space, are either be identified as multiple aisle or continental. These terms are commonly found in design standards manuals, building codes, and similar architectural reference documents. Each size is unique, with specific guidelines governing row size, row spacing, and exit ways. Basically, a multiple aisle arrangement will have a maximum of 14-16 chairs per row with access to an aisleway at both ends. In a continental arrangement, all seats are located in a central section. Here the maximum quantity of chairs per row can greatly exceed the limits established in a multiple aisle arrangement. In order to compensate for the greater length of rows allowed, building codes will require wider row spacing, wider aisles, and strategically located exit doors. Although it would seem like more space is called for, a continental seating plan is often not any less efficient than a multiple aisle arrangement. In fact, if it is carefully planned, a continental arrangement can frequently accommodate more seating within the same space. Many researchers have conducted works in this area too. An auditorium done by the software package called as ETABSÂ registered trademark. ETABSÂ registered trademark is the abbreviation of Extended 3D Analysis of Building System 6. For completeness, a cost estimation for construction is also performed. It is thought that such a study would help to perform an economical and environment-friendly design and construction of an auditorium at this location. 2 location details of the site. The proposed site is at Panchami Municipality, Panchami District, Kerala State. Figure 1 shows the proposed site and Table 1 gives the details of the proposed auditorium. Fig 1. Proposed site in Panchami, Kerala State. Table I details of proposed auditorium. District/State Panchami/Kerala. Municipality/Taluk Panchami. Type of auditorium multipurpose. Type of soil in the site lateritic soil. Type of structure RCC/steel. Estimated capacity 1000. Estimated area 10,764 square foot. Estimated area of auditorium 10,000 square foot. 3. Analysis and design of auditorium. 5. Objective of this paper is to perform the structural A. Planning of auditorium. Analysis and design of a multipurpose auditorium for a seating. A. Number of standard codes approved by Indian Standard. Capacity of 1000 audience, at Panchami Municipality. Institutions has specified the following minimum. Kerala State. In this paper details of the analysis and design of requirements for the construction of the auditoriums. 1. Front and rear open spaces. No person shall erect a building unless it is set back at least 6 m from the regular line of the street or from the street if no such regular line exists. 2. Plan area. Plan area of the building is to be fixed at an occupant load of range 0.6 to 0.9 square meters/member. Drawings were done using AutoCAD registered trademark. Details of the step-by-step procedure can be obtained from 7. Site plan, front elevation, side elevation, cross-section, and plan are shown in figures 2 to 6. Different components of the auditorium are given in Table 2. B. ETABSÂ analysis. As discussed in the above sections, structural analysis was done using ETABSÂ registered trademark. Different steps involved in the process is shown below. Table 2. Components of the auditorium. Components standard sizes size provided quantities provide. The structure created in the ETABSÂ registered trademark is shown in Figure 7. Inbuilt algorithms in the software do the analysis of the structure and give the output files. Figures 8 and 9 show the loads applied on the structure and the output of final analysis output respectively. From the output files different standard sections can be obtained and it is used for the construction. For concluding remarks. This work highlighted the analysis and design of a multipurpose auditorium at Pathanappuram Municipality, Kerala State using ETABSÂ registered trademark software. Preliminary drawings were done using AutoCAD registered trademark. For completeness, a cost estimation for the construction was also carried out and the estimated cost was found as Rs 1,22,00000/.